I won't get married again.
For real?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm clear about that because I am now in a better space in understanding who I am. And I also understand the kind of pressure society puts you in without ever backing you up. You know, it's like growing up, you know, young girls are told, hey, you got fun. You know, and the girl's 26, the mother like, where are the kids? You know, we want grandkids, and then she have kids, and then she's on her own. Society does that. So with my career, especially because it wasn't so obvious, meaning I wasn't going to get a degree and go be a lawyer.
Yeah.
It was very unclear.
Yes.
But as soon as it pops, and they're like, oh, damn. So I bought my first house. You know, I'm driving a little Benz. They're like, when are you getting a wife? You know, and it keeps playing. And it keeps playing. I remember, Christos's ex-wife used to make that joke, you know, because she was doing my bookings, and I would go to Europe, and she's like, "Hi, we need Makoti. We need Makoti." As a joke, but that thing sits.
Yeah.